Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can clone yourself. Yeah, you heard it right. How you can clone yourself into a video so that you can create engaging AI videos. So you may be a social media influencer and you don't want to make videos every day. So in that case, you can delegate that entire thing to AI. You can upload a 2-minute video. That is what it takes to create a clone of yourself, and you can just put in script every now and then, and you can generate studio quality realistic videos. So this is how it works. You can come to this platform called Argil.ai. So here you can get a perfect video for social media. So this is again a video that has been generated out of clone. You can see the natural movements of hands, the way that a person is moving and talking. So you can just put in the script there. Based on that, it will communicate. So if you want to create a promotion, you can create a promotion with that. If you want to create an education video, you can do that. Now if you want to create an entertainment video, you can do that. So you just have to put in a video, 2 minutes video, then their system will understand how you speak, how you move, what are your body movements. So based on that, it will generate videos based on the script that you have provided. It can even pick different camera angles. So the AI tech allows managing cameras and body language to stick to the highest form of realism. As you can see, this is different ways it is speaking. When it is speaking, thank you, are you ready, straight to the point, hello. So how this is how the movements are. Can you see? These are all AI generated. So a lot of influencers currently use this in the market for generating their videos because they might be a influencer and they cannot be present everywhere and create videos for all the channels. In that case, they will delegate their task to something like Argil. So this is how it works. Again, I'll show you how it works. Like you just upload a video, a short video, 2 minutes of your speaking. Then the system will learn to know you, how you move, how you speak. Then you can drop the camera and just start scripting. You can record your voice or you can just put in your some text there. Then it will generate video in minutes. This is a game changer for creators. Using this platform, it has revolutionized the content creation. It has the ability to virtually clone a person, which saves time and effort. It has fast, high quality, and affordable videos. So, and it will handle the rest of the things for you if you just upload a 2-minute video. That is what it makes unique. So, this is again a paid tool because it offers unmatched features. So you can explore this. Then they have few other things also on their website, which I will quickly show you. This is the Argil.ai influences. So if you want to create branded AI influences in a minute, they have various AI influences also, which is already made into the system, which you can use. So these are some of the influences, the most popular influencer types. It could be a news reporter, it could be a travel blogger. So these are the most common. Some people are even conducting podcast with this influencer, AI influencer. And there is a function of article to video. It can transform articles into engaging videos in a minute. You can leverage your existing content to rank higher and it increase dwell time. So if you want to create a video, you just have to paste the link and get started. You can pick your avatar for a personal touch and you can have pre-edited video for maximum impact. You just have to take an article, then put it over here, then hit submit. You might need a membership for that, but that is how it works. So let me see if I have an article to quickly show that to you. So let's say this could be article. So let's copy it and put it. Maybe it will ask me to sign up, but you just have to put it here. And if you have a membership there, then it will convert into a video. See, now it's asking me to log in, which I can easily log in with my Google account. Then I can convert that article into a video. Then I can have an actor is the AI influencer, then it will speak about that article and generate a video. So if you have cloned your model, then it could be you who will be speaking about that. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.